Hey guys, my name is Demas Rusli, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how a photographer like myself uses the Samsung ecosystem. So just a bit of a background before we get started. I've been a Samsung mobile user since the Galaxy S4, and so when Samsung reached out to me to create this video, I thought it'd be a perfect way to show you guys how I use all my Samsung products together when I go out on a photo shoot using my phone. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on two features, and they are easy pairing and quick share, as well as sharing some other little tips and tricks that have made my workflow a lot more efficient. So the phone I'm currently using is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and I also have the Galaxy Watch 4, the Buds 2, and I also use the Tab S7 Plus. So in this video, I'm going to be showing how I use all these four products together. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do before you go out on a photo shoot is to pair all your Samsung devices together so they all work seamlessly with each other. Samsung calls this easy pairing because it's literally that easy. To pair the Buds with your phone, all you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth from the notification menu, and then once you have that on, just open up the Buds' case and this pop-up should appear automatically on your phone. Hit connect and that's it. To get more functionality and to customize the sound of your Buds, you can download the Galaxy Wearable app and adjust the settings there. You can also do the same thing with your Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So again, just open up the case and this pop-up should appear and you just hit connect. So when you switch your music from your phone to your tablet, the Buds will recognize this and switch seamlessly between both. Alright, so now to pair the watch with your phone, all you have to do is turn on the watch by long pressing the top button here on the right. And again, this pop-up menu should appear on your phone and all you have to do is click connect. This will take you to the Galaxy Wearable app and all you have to do is just follow the prompts. Easy, right? And that's it. Now that we have all our devices connected, one thing I suggest doing before we go out to shoot is to make sure you have the camera controller app installed on your watch. On the Galaxy Watch 4, it should be already installed automatically, but if not, then you can go to the Galaxy Store on the watch and then tap Essentials and then find Camera Controller and install. The reason why you want to install this app on your watch is because it's really useful for when you want to go out and do some long exposure photography, which is what I'm going to be doing in a second. With this app, you're able to use your watch as a remote trigger for whatever mode your phone camera is in, including video or pro mode. You can also use this as an external viewfinder so you can see what your phone is seeing. And last of all, I think it's a really good tool for when you want to take selfies from far away as well. Alright, so now we've got this all set up, let's go out and shoot. For these photos, I used the Pro mode on the camera app and set the ISO to 50 and changed the shutter speed to between around 2 to 4 seconds. To make sure there's no camera shake, I use my watch to trigger the shutter. Just make sure to adjust the camera settings on your phone first before pressing the shutter on your watch. Also, if you're using the Galaxy Z Flip 3, you can actually use the phone in flex mode and use it as a tripod. I was actually going to do this for this shoot, but when I got to the location, the angle that I wanted was actually a lot higher than the ground, so I decided to just use my tripod. Alright, so I just got home from the photo shoot and now I want to edit the photos. However, before I start editing, I gotta make the selections for which photo I want to edit. Now I could do the selections and the edits using my phone, but I do prefer using a bigger screen for this, so this is where the Tab S7 Plus and the quick share feature comes in really handy. Alright, so to send all the files from my phone to my tablet, I first want to make sure that quick share is turned on the tablet. To do this, all you have to do is just swipe down from the top to open the notification menu, and then you want to look for quick share and then turn it on. Next, go to the gallery app on your phone and find all the photos you shot, tap and hold on the first image and then drag your finger all the way down until you have selected all your photos. Next, you want to click share on the bottom left and then click quick share, and the device you want to send it to should be on the list. So in this case, I want to send it to Demas's tablet. So as you can see, in total from the RAW and the JPEG photos, there's 182 files. That's around 2.3 gigs that I'm sending from my phone to my tablet, which is quite a large file size. And even though I've sped up this process just for the purpose of this video, you can see from the clock that to send all these files, it only took just over a minute, which is really fast. So now I've got all my photos sent to my tablet, I can now make my selects and edit the photos as well. This is exactly what I would do if I just wanted to get away from sitting at my desk and wanted to edit in a different environment like the couch or the bed, for example. It's also really handy when I'm traveling or on the go and really needed to edit something using my tablet. This quick share feature is also really great for when you want to send lots of photos and videos to your friends and family who also use Samsung devices as well. Alright, so that's it. That's the whole process of how I would use the Samsung ecosystem from start to finish as a photographer. This is the final image that I created, which is a composite of lots of photos that I shot on the night. The last step now is to upload it to social media, which I could do using my tablet or just send it back to my phone and upload it from there. I hope you guys found this video useful and learned some new tips and tricks on how you can be more efficient using your Galaxy devices. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of them. And if you want to see more coming soon, please consider subscribing. As always, thanks so much for watching and remember to always push your creativity to the next level. Bye!